Welcome back to another video. Today, we're playing some more Fortnite. And today, we are going to be playing duos to the dollars. And guys, believe me, my career has changed with shotguns. I am so good with any shotgun. So let's get into some duos to the dollars. We are not teaming at all. And we are going to do the shotgun challenge. Right, guys? Okay, yeah, Chris has mic. Alright, ready up. Christian, I don't think the viewers hear you, so I say you turn your messenger kits, yeah. So
I turned off. Why is it solid gold?
There we go.
I call red. Wait, no, I call white.
No, I call red. I like red.
I call yellow.
Alright, we are going to make one important rule. If somebody is not out of their building, you cannot kill them. That's the one important rule. Because
You can stay in their building. Wait, that means okay, but you can't kill someone when you're in the building. That's also part of JayPopp.
Yeah.
Because that
happened to me several times, and I got so mad because of it. So that's why I'm making that.
No, but if you guys are in the same building, then what do? You guys have to get out to fight?
No. Somebody has.
We know anyone won't be in the same building, so it doesn't really matter.
Who should be in the same building? Yeah, we're not going to be in the same building if we go in red and yellow.
Battle.
Oh, let's go. I just got a purple pump. The prime. I'm taking the prime.
And you can't knock down buildings because it's really not fair.
No, it's fine for me.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. There's a striker pump over there. Alright, I am ready to go. Hope you guys can see. You're going to go on an amazing journey. I'm ready.
Just see what I'm doing.
Oh, dang it.
No, I tried to get my build.
What, did you die?
No. I'm going up so high.
No.
I'm insane at building.
Yeah, me too. I'm insane.
Well, I'm literally. No one knew what I'm doing. Oh. Please don't knock on my nose. There's no way. Why is Jay stressing me out so much? I'm dead.
No, I think I'm on then. Oh, I almost just died. I'm not dealing with Christian there. Why is everybody attacking me? Dude, why is everybody attacking me? No, I'm dead.
Let me kill.
Yes, let's go.
Yeah, I told you to not go.
There's no rules. There's no rules. It's a one important rule.
Except you can't knock down builds because it's really, really not fair.
Yeah, that's kind of annoying too. Guys, click the like button if you want me to win.
Share the video if you want Michael to win, subscribe if you want me to win, and like if you want JayPopp to win. Why do I have the same pump? You know how annoying it is to get two types of pumps, but then they're both the same pump? I want two types of pumps.
Alright, I am ready to go.
Same. Last time I did run out of mats, and that was the only reason. If I did not know how to build, I would have been dead, bro.
Why?
Michael has so many types of pumps. I know.
Dude, where?
Good thing I trapped Michael.
Where, dude?
Michael's dead. If he, oh, he cracked you, bro. He cracked you, absolutely.
No, I healed.
Oh, Michael's winning. Michael, you want to win.
Let's go! That is why. That's why I'm so good with shotguns. That's why.
I have a new rule, guys. I have a new rule. Please, no rules. I'm fighting quickly. No, that's not.
That's not a rule. That's not an important rule, so no.
Okay, yeah, depends on the rules, yeah. You first. I'm gonna fight you first.
Let's do a crime. A crime. Let's go.
You snipers. I'm trying to get out of my building, so
No, you can't do snipers. It's the shotgun only challenge.
Come on, guys. How to be okay. But can we use bows?
No.
Bows suck. Please, bows. Yay! Awesome, Christian. We made it back. You have to practice it, Christian. Bows are crash.
Alright, I'm ready to go.
I literally got Christian with a bow.
You can't use a bow. You can't use a bow.
No, Christian said we can.
Oh my god, Christian, why would you do that?
Why even use a bow? Bows are great. That's why.
Michael, calm down.
I'm
I would like for you to come down.
I'm waiting for you guys to die first.
I would like for you to come down.
No.
Okay, then you're not hitting me from this far. Okay, I'll build. Michael, you want to mess with me first? You want to mess with me first? Then you're going to die. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, you're going to die. Oh, I know where Michael is.
Oh, Christian, Jay, let me go. Jay, please show mercy. Jay, please show mercy. Stop. Everyone, stop. Jay, show mercy. Stop.
No.
I told you.
Hi, Christian. Good, how are you? Do you know where you want? Please take it. There's your SIM cards, actually.
There's the fun. Jay, use the fish. Jay, use the fish. Okay, you just served it.
I can't.
You gotta. Oh, Jay, he's low. You can one shot him. Oh, he's absolute one shot.
No!
I got 2
Dude.
Kick him, kick it.
Kick him. Michael, kick him.
No, it's fine. No, guys, it's fine. He won't
No, we can't. I'm leaving if you don't kick him.
Okay, I'll go kick him.
It's only us. It's not this guy.
He's a default.
I'm kicking him.
Kick him. Try to kick him before he joins. Let's go.
I kicked him.
Alright, let's do this. I lost last round because I didn't have time to heal. That's why I lost. So
Yeah, I told you to use the selfish Jay.
what'd you say?
I told you to use the selfish.
Well, I was afraid Christian was gonna come.
No!
No!
I can't take song games.
Okay. Alright, 2 people join the game. Hold on, Jay. Oh, they joined the game. Yeah, I can't kick them, so it's fine.
Why are you stressing me out?
Oh,
I didn't want to do that.
I don't want to do this one.
Please give me med mistrust.
Don't think you're gonna get madness out of that chest, Christian. I have to move the zone.
that's a movement.
I'm gonna have to pop the med quickly.
Oh, I see!
No, I couldn't see. No, guys. No, guys, double team. I get a free kill on you. I get a free kill on you.
No,
Michael, I
I
didn't
don't
do
see
it.
kills.
Christian shot you.
No, I didn't kill. I didn't do damage though. And also, there's no rules. I'm med getting in the storm. No, I can't make it unless I get out. Game restricting is amazing.
No. I am too good. I'm too good with shotgun.
Strikers suck, bro. The strikers.
I'm too good with shotgun. I'm just. Oh.
The default doesn't even know how to play the game, bro.
Yeah, so why don't we just play with him? Who cares? Who cares?
Bro, he did the default dance and he thought that he... Guys, you can use any guns because he joined.
No, it's a shotgun challenge. No, come on, the shotgun challenge. Come on.
I'm at the default.
Okay, fine. I'll play the shotgun challenge by myself.
No, I'm gonna do two.
Okay.
I'm not doing the shotgun challenge.
Okay, that's fine. That's fine. But
I'm doing it so I can get.
I have a 2-shot shotgun, and I'm gonna wreck this guy with a shotgun. What color did he go in? He went into green.
Okay, I'll trade. I'll trade the 2 shots for anything. I'll trade the 2 shots for anything I can.
What'd you say?
You want to trade 2 shots?
No. No, I do not want to. Try default. No, what the? I'm trying to fight the default. Bro. I got the heal. I'm trying to fight the default, and Mike was killing me.
Oh, cool.
Well, I'm the default, and you just started fighting me, so it's not fair.
Default's done.
Dude, why did you lock me in the storm? Please. Oh, yeah.
Guys, don't feel. Lisa.
Who's over here? Who's on my platform? Chris. Yes! The bot died.
I'm not.
So how did you... That's not fair. I was trying to build.
Jay died.
I died. This is why I know my strategy now. I know my strategy now. I'm gonna do my strategy. I'm gonna do my strategy now. I know what my strategy is.
The default only does 17 damage, though. She sucks at the game.
My strategy is to stay on ground. Okay? Okay. Okay, I'm back, guys. I was just telling the viewers what my strategy is.
What default does? You can't tell me if we're killing a default.
Oh, I thought
The default only uses launchpad. He's scared of us.
he's really scared.
I'm trying to kill him. Jay, help me. I'm helping Christian.
Kill the default! No! He got the health boost. Christian, I'll get him. Oh, I almost just died. But I'm trying to fight the default. That's not fair. I'm trying to fight the default.
Michael, that's not fair.
Yeah, I told Michael that's not fair.
Yeah, that's not fair either, Michael. That's not fair at all. There's no rule.
Well, this is what you get.
Jay, stop.
Let's go! I'm doing my strategy. Come on, Christian.
No, the default. I'm waiting for the default. The default went in the color.
Oh, come on!
Uh,
And I'm giving a legendary pump. I mean, no, you don't get on top.
Yeah. I'm gonna double pump him.
Yeah, double pump him, double pump him. Not supposed to have the shotgun. I don't know.
Michael, why do you have a full loadout? Why do you have a full loadout?
Christian, thanks for the one splash. Thank you.
Wait, what?
I got one splash. Now I have seven chug splashes. He's going. It seems like it. Yep, he landed on the floor. Kill him! Double pump him. Let's go!
No, wait. Dance on him, Jay.
Okay.
Dance on him.
That's what I said. Ah!
SMG doesn't beat me. SMG doesn't beat me. SMG.
Wait, Michael's not doing the challenge. He's not doing the challenge anymore.
Yeah, but I don't care because I just defeated him and he had an SMG. So who cares now?
Guys, what's my head to go in a color?
What am I believe?
I don't know.
Whenever he leaves the lobby. So I guess we're gonna have to fight this noob. Yeah, Michael left. We're gonna have to fight this noob by yourself. Wait. He's waiting for us. That's the strategy. He's waiting for us. I'm not going in your color, dude. Juke him out. He's following me. He's just gonna go into a color, yep.
Should we team?
Yeah, let's team on him. But only the shotgun challenge by yourselves. He's gonna...
Just as a team, but still only shotguns.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I don't have that much healing, to be honest. I have bad healing.
So a bandage bazooka is going to be good.
Oh yeah, thanks for the shield potions.
Yeah, I have to drop them to carry a bunch of things.
A scar! Oh my god, no, that'd be so nice. I'm gonna take the I'm gonna take the striker pump for a normal pump. If you want to take it, then you can take it. Let's start doing our OG moves. You see him? What? Dude, how did you die? Christian, I'm doing my strategy. I'm staying on the floor. I'm doing my strategy.
Why do you have a striker pump? He killed me with one.
He killed you with what?
A striker pump. No, he's hitting me with it. He's dead. He has no health, Jen. It's your job. He's dead in the storm.
He's dead. Oh!
Yeah. 7 HP. 7 HP. Healed.
It's fine.
He like no scope with the pump.
Dude,
How come this guy can when Michael
he's launching? Go launch to nowhere.
That ref. Okay, I'm gonna turn on the party channel just on.
You
Go in.
do not tell him I'm the master at shotguns. Tell him. Oh, I'm in weapon red.
Okay, join the channel, Jen.
Okay.
No.
I'm in the party channel. I joined the game channel.
In the game channel, yeah. No, go in red. He just listened to me, bro. He just listened to me.
Let's go. Tell him I'm the master of shotguns.
Yeah, my friend is a master of shotgun. So I don't know why you're not teaming with us, but sorry. But can we use jumpers?
Yeah, sure. You cannot use another weapon. You could use other items, but you could not use other weapons. Only shotgun weapons. A shield fish, I'll take it. We have a shield station. I'll take it. Alright, let's go down. Let's go down. I think he refted. Christian, you okay? I am promoted. Christian, you okay? Oh, let's go! Let's go!
I hit it with the most sweaty emote too. That is so toxic, bro. I am so toxic.
I mean, that's
Go in
insane.
red. Go in red. I'm not telling you, Jay. I'm not telling you, Jay. Default, go in red. Come on. We'll go in red if you go in red. Come on. I almost touched it.
No, we're not gonna make it.
Yeah, just default. Please go in red. Go in red and one of us will go in red. I am just kidding. Go in red and one of us will go in red, please. Please listen to us. Wait, no, guys!
Wait! Let's go.
He's not going to do it.
He's not gonna do it. Oh, we went purple. I thought he's not gonna do it. Ooh, a purple striker palm.
I don't care about.
I
don't care about.
Typical gamers trick work. Typical gamers trick work that time.
Okay, look at my. I'm doing it from very high. You see me?
Yeah, but
You want?
I'll stay in the ground. You stay high. He's on the ground crew.
Wait, no, that's not how it works.
You can do anything, but I'm gonna say the ground crew.
He's under that.
Oh! Oh wait, we're gonna wait for him to come down. He's going to. Oh wait, I forgot he has a rifle. I forgot he has every single gun. I hit him 25. I hit him 25.
Is he up there?
Did I just see something move? You launched me into the storm! Who just launched me into the storm? I just got launched into the storm. Now I need a med kit.
Huh?
Now I need a med kit. I'm med kit. Wait, I can't med kit. I can't med kit right now.
I'm editing.
I'm med kitting. Down.
I couldn't hit it with the most sweatiest email. I couldn't find it in time. I did it last round.
Oh my
What?
god.
Let's wait for him again. I'm gonna mute quickly, Jen, on my voice chat. Now we can talk to each other. Wait.
Wait! Please? Yes! I got the OG, the Midas flopper. Please give me an OG pump. No, it didn't. Dang it. The assault rifle, and then gold SMG. Oh my god. A rift? I'll take it just in case. I'm gonna launch. I'll come with you. Get out! You okay? just gonna go into a collar, baby.
See, listen to me for once. I just told him, kid, just go in a color, please. And he just listened. Okay, I will. Since you're good, I'll listen to you. Next time, if you're not good, then I won't listen to you. Imagine if that was actually what you was trying to do.
Chris, I want some healing, dude. I want some healing. Give me that.
Fort will protect us. Okay, if you want to join in, we are doing the shotgun only challenge. A prime shotgun. Purple prime.
Gimme. I'll trade you.
For what?
You're gonna see, and you're gonna really like it. Let me just get that rift.
Let's go and legendary pop.
Boom! He's dead. Let's go. I knew he was dead.
I just hit him with 2 emotes.
I hit him
No,
I hit him 123.
I'm going to soccer practice in 10 minutes.
Okay. I hit him 123. That's why he was so dead. I hit him 123.
I'm going to mute again. That's so he can't hear me what I tell you. Yes.
Good go. What? No, not yet.
No.
Run!
Not today.
Yes! Not today! And a
Jay, want my
prime.
legendary prime? Jay, want my legendary prime?
No, I already have a legendary prime. I'm fine.
You can give me a prime. Okay.
You want a pump?
No, I'll just take the 2 shot. I should take both.
Grenade, should
Not
we
bad.
take it? I'm gonna take grenade, just in case.
Don't take my mask. I just dropped them by accident. The last chest gives me a striker
Ooh!
pump.
Oh my god! That was a close one. No, I did 81 on him. Christian, just go and get him. If you don't build, you'll be able to get him. Let's go. I did 81 on him. 81.
That was my first kill in the air.
Do you believe I'm the greatest at shotguns? Yeah, I'm insane.
No, we're the best 2 at shotguns. I think typical gamer is worse than us.
Yeah. Wait.
I do not know that typical gamer.
Wait.
Okay, wait.
Ooh, I got some chug splash. Oh, a shield keg! I got a shield keg! That's insane! If you need shield, just call me and I'll put down the shield keg.
Well, I'm stacking up on shotguns.
Oh, I tried to do it. It didn't work, but that's okay.
I have a prime for you.
I'll give you a purple pump. Nope, too late. He's right here. Oh wait, he used the launch pad. Come to me. Nope, he's coming back. I can't. Oh, let's go! I did 119 on him.
So I did the 2 most sweatiest emotes. It's the wahahaha and the no sweat.
Oh, I thought. What? Now he might be AFK. If he goes AFK, we're gonna stop the video.
No, if he goes AFK, then we'll do 1 more match by ourselves.
Yeah, I think he's going AFK.
We don't have a shotgun. This is bad. I dropped my prime.
No, he's here. He's using a rifle. That's bad. We need to stop him from using a rifle. be doomed. Yeah, we're gonna be doomed. He's using a shotgun. Use the launch pad. He always likes using.
He's dead. He's one shot.
Where is he? No, he's
He's one
coming.
shot.
Wait, did he launch? This
Yeah.
is almost. Oh, if that guy wouldn't die, I would have died from fall damage. I would have died from fall damage. That was insane. I would have died from fall damage.
Okay.
Okay, now he's not AFK. Red.
Durability. I'm making a landmark for us.
Ooh, let go of the OG pump.
Can you give it to me?
What will you trade me?
I don't think you'll like it, so I'll just take this.
What is it? What is it?
What is it? Did you just spit it out to me? No! Did you just spit it out to me? You got me spitting things in my head like, no! Look at this, bro. No!
Keep going here.
Why? Well, so, bro, how's that the OG pump, bro?
Where is he? I'm making a platform for us.
I muted myself, so he can't hear me now.
Oh! I missed. I'm almost dead. No, he was shooting for me. What are you doing? Yes. What did you hit him? Just shoot him. You should have just shoot him, Christian. If you just shoot him, that'd be it. But good game.
Wow.
Christian, I don't think you have to build that much. To be honest, I don't think you have to build that much. I do not think you have to build that much. Okay.
No, I actually just wanted to flex my muscles, so I just edited a door. He broke my build before I could edit anything else. So that's what I did. Because you see that I have rough edits.
Ooh, a pump. I got a pump.
An OG, the real OG pump.
Can I see it? Oh, can it? I won't take it. Just show me.
Let me see yours first.
Oh, let's go.
You know, Joe, give me 2 of my pumps. If you give me that pump.
What is it? What's that?
Wait, no, I have to think about it. No, I'm keeping this pump, but you can have 2 of those pumps if you want.
I only use 1 pump, so I won't. What a fort! Why did I use the porta fort? I can't even use it. Okay, I can't even use the porta fort, so that's bad.
Wait, why?
Oh, that guy is building insane right now. He's coming down. You got him? No, I'm dead! Oh! Oh my god, I'm so glad that guy missed. I'm so glad that guy missed. And I'm so glad he didn't die from the storm. Oh my god. I'm so glad it didn't die from the storm.
No, Jay, if you didn't have me, if I had not snuck into the battle, you would have been dead.
I know. I was only on 10 HP. I would have done.
No!
I thought that was you. I'll die. And then the default's going to try and revive me, okay? The default is going to try and revive me, but I'm just gonna move, okay?
Be in the storm the whole time, actually.
No, I just died from fall damage.
No, if you be in the storm, then he can't revive you in time.
Alright, let me just die. Alright.
Yeah. Bro. He's gonna be like, I'm never playing with this kid on my team ever again, bro. This guy is so good. Christian's so good.
Okay.
Yeah, wait. Red. I was about to go in yellow. My controller doesn't let me do either anymore.
Oh, let's go! Pump shotgun.
I'll keep the remote of water when we have to use it, okay? Project.
Oh, yes.
Can you give me the pump?
Shield potion, I'll take it.
I have the remote of water. I'll use it only when we have to use it. Like,
you can use it right now. I have a big platform, so you can use it right now.
no. Okay, you know what? That's it. Okay. Yeah? What? Alright, I'm about to go to soccer. So one more map, and then we will have to end the video.
More. Hopefully this guy doesn't fall from...
Can we do the last match, no teaming?
Sure. No teaming match. But let's kill the bot first. That's what I said. Right? Let's kill the bot first.
Okay, deal. Only reason why I'm saying deal is I don't want to be on the bot's building. That's the thing.
I'll take that rift just in case I die. Another rift. Alright, let's do this, Christian. What? You killed him? You killed him already?
Who's the red? You?
Yes, I'm red. Don't kill me.
Okay. Guys, I'm going to soccer, so call you later.
Okay. Guys, I have to win this for you. This guy's just building crazy. I'm my last bullet. Let's go! That is the end of the video, guys. If you enjoyed this video, make sure click that like button and that subscribe button if you want more on the channel. And share this video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!